Today we're diving into the top 5 best survey apps that can help you earn extra cash from the comfort of your home. If you've ever wondered how you can make money by sharing your opinions, stick around. Let's get started. Number 1. Swagbucks. First up is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular survey platforms out there. You can earn Swagbucks points or SB by completing surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. Each point is worth about 1 cent, and you can redeem them for gift cards or PayPal cash. The more surveys you complete, the more points you earn. Number 2. YSense. Next we have YSense. Formerly known as ClickSense, YSense offers a variety of ways to earn money, including surveys, tasks, and offers. Surveys on YSense typically pay between 50 cents and $2, depending on their length and complexity. You can also earn by referring friends, which is a great way to boost your earnings. Number 3. LivePoints. LivePoints is another solid choice. This app rewards you for sharing your opinions on a wide range of topics. You can earn LivePoints for each survey you complete, and once you accumulate enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards or PayPal cash. The surveys are straightforward, and the app is user-friendly. Number 4. Branded Surveys. Moving on to Branded Surveys. This platform offers a great user experience with a variety of survey options. You can earn points for every survey you complete, and those points can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Branded Surveys also has a daily poll feature, which gives you a quick way to earn extra points. Number 5. Free Cash. Lastly, we have Free Cash. As the name suggests, Free Cash lets you earn real cash by completing surveys, offers, and even playing games. The platform is easy to use, and you can withdraw your earnings directly to PayPal. Plus, Free Cash offers a bonus system for completing daily tasks and referring friends. And that's a wrap on the top 5 survey apps to make money. Each platform has its unique features, so I recommend trying a few to see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.